Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how much YouTube paid me for 1 million views. So it's a pretty popular topic on YouTube on how much YouTube pays for 1 million views. So I thought I should make a video on that. So let's dive in and let's look at the numbers. There are a lot of videos on YouTube on this particular topic on how much YouTube paid for 1 million views. You might have seen a lot of different numbers like 10,000 to 6,000 or 7,000, even like $1,000, even below $500, right? So it totally depends on this channel's CPM, guys. So it's not about a fixed number. YouTube is not going to pay you like a fixed number for a 1 million views. The numbers will always differ because each niche has different CPM rates. So CPM rates means cost per 1,000 views. So for example, let me show you guys one of my YouTube channel. So you can see here, this is my personal brand YouTube channel and you can see the numbers here. So on this channel, we're getting paid around like 20 bucks per 1,000 views. So this is not the exact number I'm getting paid. So you can see the RPM. So RPM is a new metric YouTube recently introduced into the analytics. So you can see here, right, $8. So that's the exact amount of money I'm getting paid on this YouTube channel for every 1,000 views. So that's just an average. You can see the real numbers. So on Jan 25th, it was around $12. So if I go back to CPM, you can see the numbers. On Jan 25th, it will be around like $31. So the CPM and RPM really changes a lot on your YouTube channel. So, but you can still maintain a good CPM on your channel by working on high CPM niches. For example, on this particular niche, I work on how to make money online. So how to make Facebook ads, how to do affiliate marketing, how to make money on YouTube. So these are the topics I cover on this particular channel. So that's the reason the channel's CPM is very high compared to other channels, because the people who watch these videos are entrepreneurs or else someone who's interested in starting a business, because those people are really high converting people. So a lot of advertisements will be run towards them. So that's the reason YouTube is paying us good amount of money for these particular niches. So let's go back to the topic on how much YouTube paid me for 1 million views. So let me go back to a different channel, because on this YouTube channel, I never reached 1 million views. So on overall on this YouTube channel, I reached around like 150,000 views. So let me also change this to lifetime so you can see the revenue. So on this YouTube channel, it made around like 1,000 bucks in the last 365 days. So let me go back to this YouTube channel. This is a different YouTube channel with higher CPM rates and higher revenues. So let's look at these numbers. So it took 2 months to reach 1 million views on this YouTube channel. So you can see the numbers here from December 1st to Jan 26. It took almost 2 months to reach this point, because on average, this YouTube channel get around like 500,000 views every single month consistently. So you can see the numbers here. So every single day it gets around like 13 to 20,000 views. So you can see here, right? So let me also show you the spike. So this is the biggest day on this YouTube channel in the last 2 months, like 27,000 views in single day. So you can see here, right? So it's consistent 10 to 20,000 views every single day. So the views goes up when we publish more content, and the views comes down if we don't publish any content. So you can see, right? So these days we never publish anything. Even the views came back to like 10,000 views every single day without publishing any content. So let's take a look at the numbers on how much YouTube paid for last 1 million views. So you can see here, this is the last 1 million views on this YouTube channel, and it got paid around $31,000, guys. So you can see here, right, $31,261. So these are not some fake numbers. I have made a lot of videos on this YouTube channel on covering how much YouTube pays every single month. So if you're someone who's totally new to this channel, just go ahead and watch my last videos so you'll get an understanding on how YouTube works and how much YouTube pays. So you can see here in the last 2 months, this YouTube channel made around like 31,000 and got 10,000 subscribers and got 1 million views. So like I said, YouTube revenue is totally dependent on the CPM rates. So on this YouTube channel, we're getting around like 30 to 40 bucks per 1,000 views. That's the CPM. So when it comes to RPM, we're getting paid around like $31 to $30. So that's the reason YouTube is paying us like $30,000 per 1 million views. So on this YouTube channel, if I change that to lifetime, you'll see the numbers. So on overall, it made around like $126,000. So that's the overall lifetime revenue on this YouTube channel in the last 1 year. So you can see, right, it got around like 4.5 million views. It's a very high CPM niche, so you don't have to get a lot of views to make good amount of money. So if I change that to last 28 days, you can also see the numbers like consistent, like $600 to $700 every single day. So you can see here, so these numbers are not fake numbers, guys. So these are real numbers, and I hope you got some idea on how CPM works and how the RPM works and how YouTube pays for 1 million views. So let's also look at the RPM and CPM numbers on this YouTube channel. So you can see here in the last 2 months, the RPM is around $30 and the CPM is around $47, guys. You can see here, that's the reason YouTube has paid us like $31,000 for 1 million views. So you can see here, this is the overall number before YouTube's cut. Like $47 is what we're getting paid for 1,000 views, and YouTube take a part from that, and this is the estimated revenue per mil, like $30 per 1,000 views. So this is the exact number we're getting paid on YouTube. So I have shown you two different YouTube channels and two different numbers on how much YouTube pays and how much it depends on the niches. So let's say you make videos on these topics like real estate or stock market or forex trading, then the CPM will be around like 50 to 60 bucks. So you're going to get paid at least like $600 to $700 every 10,000 views. So that's how YouTube works. So it totally depends on the CPM and RPM. So this is how much YouTube paid me for last 1 million views, guys. So I hope you got some information from this video, and if you really like this video, make sure you leave a like on this video and do comment on this video, guys, because I'll be answering all your questions. And pretty much that's it, guys. Thanks for watching the video, and see you guys in the next video.